day 16 of our Advent unboxing. I hope you're enjoying these gifts so far. We're making our way through the presents. So day 16 is this silver tube, and it says, try our new Lite Faux Leather for bags, apparel, home decor. And there's a special code on there for a discount to download a free PDF pattern of your choice. So 'tis the season to sew. Let's see what's inside. Look at that, it says warm wishes. I just love the little touches that the warehouse puts on the packaging. They're so thoughtful. And a lot of them are sewists themselves. So they were thinking of you guys as they were packaging these. All right, so this is our brand new Lite Faux Leather. And if you haven't tried this yet, it is an ultra thin faux leather. It does have stretch to it, and it comes in some neutral tones on our website. And this is very thin faux leather, so you can replace the quilt cotton on patterns and try the faux leather instead. So for example, some patterns that you might want to try are Zippy Bag Pattern. For most projects, you don't have to add any interfacing and you can use the fabric as is. However, for bag making, I do recommend adding interfacing to the wrong side and using a foam stabilizer to help prevent the fabric from stretching. Here's some project inspiration for patterns that we've used the Lite Faux Leather on. First is using the Ferris pattern, and this pattern continues to be our top selling pattern. This is for a fanny pack in 3 sizes. This bag features zipper pockets, an adjustable strap, and is fully lined. For this sample, we wanted to give a really high-end look, so we used the black Lite Faux Leather with black gunmetal zipper tape and actually used nickel zipper pulls on it for a different look. The next pattern is the Luci bag, and for this bag we featured our brown Lite Faux Leather for the main fabric and brown weave faux leather for the contrast fabric. I think this bag turned out super sleek and professional looking. It has a really unique shape and eye-catching details and is super comfortable to carry. And another bag that we wanted to share with you is our Zippy bag, and we made this sample out of the navy Lite Faux Leather with navy antique zipper and coordinating hardware. This bag is the perfect size for traveling, shopping, and gifting. You can easily fit your phone, card wallet, checkbook, some gum, and other small essentials. This fabric is also fun for apparel and home decor, and since it is so thin, it just makes it super versatile. So I definitely recommend trying it out, and it does have this really subtle texture to it, and it's ultra soft. So I hope you enjoyed today's gift, and I can't wait to see what you make with it, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow for another unboxing.